Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Skrill to your bank account. Start by logging into your Skrill account with your email and password. From your dashboard, click on the withdraw option to see the available withdrawal methods. Now choose the bank account option. If you haven't added a bank account yet, you will need to provide your bank details now. Enter the amount you want to transfer from Skrill to your bank account. Make sure the amount is within your available balance. Review your transaction details, including fees and the processing time. If everything looks good, click Confirm to proceed. Your transfer will be processed within 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank. Skrill will notify you once the funds are on their way. Remember, Skrill may charge a small fee for bank transfers, so check the fees before confirming. And that's it with Skrill. Transferring money to your bank account is quick and easy. Thank you for watching.